My name is Wendell. I am the owner of a digital marketing agency. I give ClickUp 4 stars. For more reviews, click below. Before ClickUp, we were using an old school spreadsheet. The biggest trouble that we had was just keeping track of when things were done. Sending share notifications can get quite convoluted inside of our mailboxes. So it was really slowing down our project management process. ClickUp, we chose ClickUp because it was, well, frankly, the free trial was quite robust. The amount of features that we didn't lose during the free trial was even better. It allowed for us to be able to bring in all our team into one place. It wasn't software specific, right? So everything was able to kind of pour into ClickUp. The other key piece for us was being able to manage multiple projects at a time with hierarchy, so that nothing got skipped in our project management process. Getting started with ClickUp wasn't the easiest. It definitely does have a curve on the learning, but once I got acclimated in the system, it has proven to be quite useful. The only piece of advice I would have for someone getting started in ClickUp is to go through the tutorials. I don't know if they're still offering that call where they kind of walk you through things. Do that before you press all the buttons. That was the one thing that we did backwards.